Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Today is 22nd of March and you guys are appearing in IELTS tomorrow. So I have just come to say hello and goodbye, and I have come to give you a little pep talk for your IELTS exam. Get ready for that, okay? Now let me tell you one thing. You struggled a lot, you really worked hard, you gave your best, and tomorrow you have your exam. Some of you must be confused, some of you must be nervous, some of you must have some sort of anxiety and stress of the exam and all that. But please, for a moment, please calm down and listen to me carefully. Everything is going to be fine. Let me tell you, tomorrow, that is 23rd March, you guys have your IELTS exam, and this is the global date of IELTS test. Let's pray together. The test is not going to be very difficult. It's going to be moderate, or it's going to be like a bit easier test as compared to the local dates. So, don't worry about that. It's not going to be that difficult, okay? Now, the thing is this, all your preparation aside, everything aside, now you need to relax. You need to just make up your mind that tomorrow you have your exam, and picture yourself, imagine yourselves into a positive state of mind that you are walking towards the examination room and you are appearing in IELTS, you are sitting for IELTS, right? And the test you are taking, your performance is better. You know, never look for easy tests. Your performance should be better. Even if the test is difficult, you should perform better, right? Don't ask God to make your life easier. Ask God to give you enough power and strength to face the challenges of life. In the same way, if IELTS test is going to be challenging, don't worry. You are already prepared to face all the challenges, okay? So don't worry about that. Your gadgets must be with you, and your main gadget is pencil for reading test, pencil for writing test, and even for listening test, you can use the pencil as well, okay? Now, let me tell you, when you go there, there's going to be a lot of talk, there's going to be a lot of rumor. Don't talk to anybody, mind your own business. And sometimes, you know, some students, when they appear in IELTS, on the same day, when they have their reading, writing, listening, they have their speaking test also. A couple of hours before or a couple of hours after. Couple of hours after is fine, but if it is before, then the 2 hours they spend while sitting idle really matters. Their energy level goes down, even their morale is a bit down. They are not in active mental state and all that. Let me tell you, for your IELTS test, don't burn the midnight oil. Don't study until late at night. Don't try to wake up very early in the morning. Alright, because you know the IELTS test, it usually starts at around 11, 11:30 or 12 o'clock. So don't get up very early in the morning and then you say, okay, I'll just do some practice tests and all that. Nothing is going to come from the practice tests you have taken. Nothing is going to come from the reading passages you have done. It's going to be something new. It's going to be something different, and you are prepared for that as well. So just have your favorite breakfast, enjoy your meal. There should be gap between the meal, between your breakfast and the test time also, right? Go for the test. Listening test will start. Adjust your headphones, right? Adjust the right volume, and when they play the practice audios, you can tune your ears in. Listening test will start. Read the questions very carefully. Follow the instructions very carefully. Follow my tips very carefully. You are not going alone to take your IELTS test. Asad Yaqub is going with you. I am going with you in the form of my tips, my techniques, my teaching, and your learning from me. That is going to go along with you, and definitely that is going to help you solve your listening, reading, writing and all that. So don't worry about anything at all. Once listening is over, very confidently transfer your answers to the answer sheet, and then when reading test comes, just within few seconds take a look at all the reading test. Just see what are the passages, what type of questions are there, so that you are mentally prepared to answer those questions. Even if you start from section 1, you must read all the question types of section 2, you must read all the question types of section 3, and then you can plan. And let me tell you, you should have a master plan. It is not necessary that you should start attempting the questions in one section as they are given in the same order. You know, questions are in sets. So maybe for some questions where you need deep understanding of the passage, you can do them at the end. The questions where you just need skimming and scanning, you can do them in the beginning for each section. This is very, very important. Same is with section 2. Just read the questions and then decide out of 14 questions or out of 13 questions, which set should I start first. You can start with any set and then move on to the next set and all that stuff. So you can just do it, right? That's not difficult or confusing. After that, you should spare more time for section 3 and don't leave any question unanswered. In reading, even in section 3, if the time is running out, you can guess and all that, but don't leave any question on the answer sheet unanswered, and make sure to put your answers or to convert your answers to the answer sheet. Okay, so this is how you guys need to attempt your reading test, and don't worry, don't let your feelings go down, don't let your emotions go down and all that. You can have some candies in the form of tablets or anything like that. You can tell them these are my tablets, or I've got the low glucose level, so I need these candies during that. So you should have some candies. It's not a bad idea during your reading test, because you need high glucose level, so you can have some candies and they can help you feel okay. Once your reading test is over, they will take reading question booklet from you, and remember, don't forget to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Do section 1 reading, transfer the answers. Do section 2 reading, transfer the answers. And section 3, write the answers down directly on the answer sheet. Okay. Now, writing test will start. They will put the question booklet on your table and answer sheet for writing on your table, and then they say, okay candidates, you can start now. The first thing you need to do, read the topic for essay. And then you got to write on the question paper, whether it is opinion essay or discussion essay or problem solution essay or its advantages, disadvantages essay, or a double question essay, or any other type of essay, but you need to write that down very, very clearly and read and underline the main topic or the question rubric for the essay, so that your brain starts working that this is the topic and after 20 minutes I have to write essay on that. Once you've read that, don't spend more than 1 minute on that, okay? Then come back to task 1. If you are academic IELTS student, there must be some graphic information, a graph with a trend or a comparative graph, or there can be a process diagram or anything like that. Let me tell you one thing, whatever it is, it's not going to be anything out of syllabus. The syllabus which is designed or which is advised, it's not going to be anything out of that syllabus. That's why you guys don't need to worry about anything at all, right? So you should just read. If it is letter writing, read the topic. Close your eyes for a few seconds, visualize the situation that, okay, this is the situation, these are the bullet points, now I'm writing a letter, this is recipient and this is what I need to write. There are 5 parts of letter, you can cover that. If it is report, you can see what to write in the introduction, what to write in the overview, and then the body paragraphs. There are 2 body paragraphs or 1 body paragraph, it's all up to you. And write it down in a very relaxed manner. Try to do task 1 in 15 minutes maximum, so that you could spare some time for proofreading. Now come to essay writing. You are already prepared. You already read the topic. Read the topic again a couple of times. Remember one thing, your understanding of the topic and your right understanding of the topic is very important. Only then you will be able to write a relevant essay. Otherwise, if your essay is irrelevant, you will never get a good bench score on that very essay. So read the topic a couple of times. If you want to do some rough work, you can do that on the question paper. You can make an outline of ideas. You can brainstorm for ideas. Just spend around 4-5 minutes doing that. Don't start writing abruptly. In the beginning, you should make a map of your essay, what you are going to write in the first paragraph, what is your first supporting argument, your second supporting argument. If it's a discussion essay, then what are the 2 sides you are going to discuss. If it's an opinion essay, what will you write in contrast and all that. So you should plan on the question paper. Whatever you're going to do, you can use pencil for that. Once your plan is finalized, now start writing and try to finish your essay, the writing procedure, in 20 minutes or maximum 25 minutes. Now once you've written the essay, you must proofread your essay, you must proofread your report, and be confident about that, and follow all my videos on essay writing, on report writing, on letter writing, to write a good letter, good report and good essay. That's all. Once the exam is over, just come back home, relax, have your favorite drink, enjoy a warm cup of milk, cup of tea, cup of coffee, or whatever you want to do, and then wait for the result positively. Let me tell you, throughout this procedure, throughout this process of taking IELTS test, you have to stay positive. You have to stay optimistic. Stay positive, stay optimistic. This 23rd March IELTS test is going to decide about your future in a very positive way. I'm sure most of you are going to end up getting your required band score on 23rd March, and you will come to remember this day in your life. Yes, I took IELTS test on 23rd of March and I got my required bands. And once you get your required bands, you must inform me about that and send me your selfie from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, America, or whatever your destination country is. I also request you to send me your feedback after the test. Type a message, write your name down, then write IDP or British Council, then type of tests, academic or gender training. Then tell me about listening, what type of questions came, what type of conversations were there, and all that. Then in reading, the heading of the passage and the type of questions. In writing, what was task 1, what was writing task 2, and all that. Send me this message and I'll make a review videos for those who are planning to take their IELTS test in the month of April. Don't forget to write your name and your city, because I will call your name in the video as well. I'll read your name in the video and I'll dedicate that video to you. So please send me all that detail on 23rd March by night, because I'll make that review review video on 24th March morning. So if you send me messages by 23rd March night, I'll be able to do that. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel Asad Yaqub and my other channel Asad Yaqub Vlogs. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. And I also offer IELTS writing correction service. If you want to subscribe IELTS writing correction service, WhatsApp number is given here. You can contact this number. Just send a message and we'll send you all the details about that. Thank you very much indeed. I wish you all the best. Don't worry at all. Tomorrow is going to be an important day of your life, and tomorrow you are going to prove yourself. This is one chance. God Almighty has given you a chance to prove yourself. Remember, we only get few chances in life to prove ourselves. So you have to prove yourselves tomorrow, and this test is going to help you have a bright future. It's going to help you have a nice future and your ideal future or your dream future as well. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best wholeheartedly. Truly, I wish you a fantastic band score as a result of 23rd March IELTS exam. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.